Hi, I'm Sherilyn Hoffman. I'm the creator of the Social Media 101 Playbook. So I just wanted to go over and share with you what is in this playbook. It is many pages of how to do marketing captions and templates. And so first we'll talk about what's your brand story. We'll talk about the 4 secrets of a marketing mastermind. We'll talk about marketing masterminds don't randomly post on social media and what their plan is. We'll talk about brands that show their true colors and how to get resources and not annoying sales pitches. And success isn't going to come overnight. So we'll talk about ways to implement more strategies. And then we give you the formatting your posts, and we give templates and structure for that. We have templates and captions for entrepreneurs and every type of small business, from product creators, e-commerce, service providers, brick and mortar, author, coach, affiliates, and multi-level marketing. Then we'll talk about social media schedulers and which types are popular and how much they cost. And then the last thing will be what kind of account should you create in regards to a website, Facebook page, group, profile, YouTube, LinkedIn, etc. All right, enjoy.